My name is Jérôme. I'm the founder of BottleStops. I do tours with international visitors here in the region of Mainz, Rheinhessen, Rheingau, Pfalz, Mosel and Nahe. Actually, I didn't care for wines from Mainz at all, but now, like almost 25 years later, I realize how interesting actually my hometown is and its wines, and I take a lot of pride actually in showing people around here.
My name is Christie Dietz. I'm a food writer and a travel writer specialising in German food. Probably like the rest of the English-speaking world, if not everybody else in the world. I assumed that I would be eating just huge piles of meat and potatoes and sauerkraut and dumplings all the time here. And it became apparent pretty quickly after the first time I visited the farmers market that this wasn't going to be the case. The food here is incredibly regional, fiercely so, and I think more so than in other countries.
I find that German wines are pretty much underrated overseas and also even by Germans.
Mainz is it's Germany's wine capital. So the food that it's pretty well known for is basically snacks that go really well with wine.
Today we tried 3 different types of wines: a sparkling wine, a Deutscher Winzersekt, which I really like. We tried 2 typical still wines, Riesling and also Pinot Noir. They are both from this region and stands for some of the best wines we can have here in Germany.
The first thing we tried along with the wine was a sour milk cheese that's formed by hand. It's called Hainz. It's served with a marinade called Musik. Then we also tried some pretzels from the local pretzel bakery, and of course we had some sausage. The sausages we ate were from a local butcher which has been in the family for a couple of generations, so he prepares some of the sausages still himself to his grandfather's recipes. We tried Leberwurst, which is a liver sausage, a spreadable liver sausage. We tried Blutwurst, blood sausage, and the local favourite, which is Fleischwurst. And finished in a wine tavern with some Spundekäse, which is a cream cheese dip with pretzels.
Most people consider Germany to be a country of beer or sweet Rieslings, but it's definitely different.